Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to WhatsApp someone who is not on your contact list. Before you proceed, save your own number in your contacts and then message yourself the number you want to WhatsApp. And I think this will be your first time that you're messaging yourself. Let's see. I've saved my number, Zain, and this is my number. And you see here it shows you message yourself. I've already messaged so many things. You see the links, all the links of my YouTube channel. So now I want to I'll type the number that I want to message to first. So let me type my own number 092 and just send it. Now click on it and here you see a message, chat with. That means this number has a WhatsApp, or if it does not have WhatsApp, it will show you call it or SMS. Now it has WhatsApp number. Just click on it and here you can see this is my business account. I'll just message this number, hi, how are you, and the message is gone. Even the person is not on my contact list. And let me reply from my another mobile, so you can see that the message has been delivered. And here you can see this is the reply. Hope you like the video and don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends.